In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block MSN pop-up notifications in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. If you keep getting annoying pop-ups or news alerts every time you open a new tab, this tutorial will help you control exactly what notifications you want to see and turn off the ones you do not need. This is a quick and easy fix, and it can make your browsing experience much cleaner and less distracting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and open a new tab by pressing Ctrl and T on your keyboard. This will take you to the new tab page where MSN content and notifications are usually shown. Once the new tab loads, look to the upper right corner of the page and click the gear icon, also called the Page Settings button. This opens the settings for the new tab page where you can customize the content and notification options. Now scroll down through the settings menu until you find the notification settings section. This is the area that controls what kind of alerts and pop-ups appear on your new tab page. When you find it, click on Manage. A new tab or settings panel will open with a list of notification preferences. From here, you can choose which notifications you want to allow and which ones you want to block. If you want to stop MSN pop-ups, simply turn off the unwanted notifications or remove the categories you do not want appearing anymore. Take a moment to review the options carefully so you only keep the alerts that are actually useful to you. Once you have selected your preferences, your new tab page should start showing fewer distractions and only the notifications you approved. And that's it. You've now learned how to block MSN pop-up alerts in Microsoft Edge and customize your notification settings to fit your needs. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.